Hey guys, just a quick update. Sorry about the light in here. It's not very light outside. But as you can see, it did fit in there just. um, the e-bike's FCA motor shines with anything over 500 watt. Oh my god. The bike pulls like crazy. I took it out for a test ride right after I set it up. It took 3 tries and the timing is perfect. And yeah, I'm actually quite impressed by it. But that is the limit of what can fit in that frame. Anything else will have to be mounted on the outside. So that's pretty much anything smaller than that, fine. I'm going to test a few more, but this is going to be my standard one. And I thought that was impressive without the 3-speed switch. So that means it's only running at medium. Yeah, this bike's kind of cool. Hopefully it holds together until fall, because it's after that I'm done with e-bikes. Well, I'm not done with e-bikes. I'm done with this type of bike. I'm going to go with the scooter style, or the stand-up type. If I see some more in Canada, I haven't seen that many of them, so. Oof, look at that. This is how hard this thing is on brakes. That's crazy. I literally just cleaned that. Well, anyway, I think I'd share that. Hopefully I can get around when the weather's better. It's raining off and on right now, so when things get a little bit better out here, we can test it out, like on a long ride. I don't know if it's going to draw more amp. Well, the other one was 30. This one is, I think it's 35 to 36. I don't think it's going to make a big difference on my distance, but that's what I have to test before I do a video, or else I'll be walking home. Anyway, later guys.